How to make money on TikTok using AI. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make money on TikTok using AI. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to show you what you can do and what we are going to be doing as well. So first things first, let me show you these accounts. So as you can see, this is an account that is a dog trainer, got to train. They train cats, dogs. Over here, as you can see, they have a pretty good following, over 1 million followers. There's this other account as well, such as Dog Trainer Official. Over here, this guy trains dogs. And then we also have some different accounts, such as this motivational type of account as well. So these are the types of accounts that we are going to be following and using their strategy. So you might have noticed all these accounts have one thing in common, that they have this link in their bio, right? So this is what we are after. Over here is how we're going to be making money. So over here, if I click on this link, it's going to open up over here. Over here, as you can see, this guy is selling his own personal book. Is this a book? Or I think this is a book. It's a blueprint type of book. So as you can see, 0 to 2 million followers, wealth lock, blueprint to TikTok success. So you can go ahead and use something like this, right? So he has a decent enough followings and he is promoting his product. So that is what we are going to be doing. And same with this guy as well. He has his own Linktree account right here. As you can see, he has his own account and he is promoting his own Instagram, his own website, and stuff like that. So that's what we are going to be doing. Now, as you can see over here for these types of videos, as you can see, it's very simple. He has these simple quotes, as you can see right here, if we play this video. So as you can see, very simple video. He only has like a background, a stock footage, and then only has some motivational quotes over here. So that is what we are going to be using. So for that, we are going to be using ChatGPT to give us some motivational messages. So as you can see, some motivational quotes. So we are going to be using these. Next thing we need is some stock footage. For that, we are going to be using Pexels. So this is the website that we are going to be using for our stock photos and videos. Next, we need a video editor. For that, we are going to be using this website called Video or Veed.io, video. So we are going to be using this. This is a video editor. So let's go ahead and try it for free. So over here, it already has this video right here as a background, which I had already uploaded as well beforehand. And I think this is already uploaded. So now what we need to do is we can close it up. Since we already have this video, let me add another media. Is it not adding? Here we go. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now what we need to do is we need to change the orientation. For that, we go into settings, go into size, and choose TikTok. There we go. That looks good. Now we need to add our motivational quotes. So come over here and choose the type of text. So we want to choose simple. We're going to select the simple text. We have our fonts right here. Let's go ahead and increase the size so we can see it. We'll paste it right here, smack dab in the middle. And over here, we'll choose the text. This is going to be our text. Make it a little bit smaller. So something like this, I changed it to typewriter and I added an effect called background or shadow. So that looks good. Now what we need to do is come over here, add another text, same one. Actually, we'll delete this and we'll copy and paste over here, join them together. We'll go in here to ChatGPT and choose the next line as well. And all that you are, and just simply type over here. Actually, we'll also shorten these out as well since they are quite long. They're like 2-3 seconds long, so we only want it a couple of seconds longer. So as you can see, we also, I think I added animation on it as well. I thought I removed it, but okay, we can add the animation and over here as well. So now if we play it, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks really cool. And that is what we're doing. We're going to copy paste all the text over here and then we want to download. And once we have the video, what we want to do next is we want to create an account and start posting on it and create a following, all right? Creating a following on TikTok is easy. You just got to upload your videos and be consistent. Once you've done that, next thing you want to do is find a product, and you can find your product on Digistore24. This is a online product, or you might call it, or affiliate link. Over here you can find affiliate products and promote them, and there's also other sites as well. But generally speaking, once you've found the product that is related to your niche and you have grown a following, you can start creating your own link trees and your own websites and start selling your own products. And that is how you make money on TikTok using AI. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care. Goodbye.